How to see all comment history on TikTok. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So to start, all you have to do is to simply look for your profile. Profile is next to inbox. You just have to tap this one. And then here you have to click this three lines at the top right corner. And then click this settings and privacy. Now you have to scroll down and you have to look for activity center. And then here you can see options like watch history, comment history, search history. So go to comment history and then here you will see all the videos that you have commented or pictures, something like that. And if you want to delete that, all you have to do is simply tap this and it will take you directly to the video. Now here on the comment section, you can tap this comment, and if you want to delete, you can delete this one, or you have other options here. You can reply with videos, send to friends, add to favorites, manage multiple comments, delete, and copy. You can go back and you will see in there that you have deleted your comment. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.